if you can tell. It says it's level with the top here. So right here. Hey guys, welcome back. Tonight, I think I lied to you last time about putting the Bronco on the International's dollies. We had a little Harbor Freight haul today. I think spent around 220 bucks, but I got some stuff I needed to get. One of those I mentioned before are these dollies. I think they're a little bit different the way they're made. I don't think they're quite like those, but I think they'll work. And let me go ahead and show you what we got. Those are the dollies. I think we'll have to put those together. And then we got a 6 foot long straight edge level. And we got more or less like consumable things. That's more of those. Went ahead and got some of these kind of clamps. I've seen people use them before with sheet metal. I thought, you know, why not? I got 4 of the small ones and then 2 of the bigger kind. And some more sanding belts for that little belt sander. The rest of it's just more of these and another deal of those. But the thing I'm most excited about is our straight edge here. We don't know if that's supposed to be level or not. It's almost level. I figure that'll help me quite a bit with when I say level. Let's kick back up. That'll help me get my door even with the fender and everything. But as you can see, I got some stuff to put together tonight. Hate to do it to y'all, but I think we might try to pick some of this up. So tonight may be just getting the Bronco on the dollies, putting some tools up, cleaning this mess that I've been kind of just pushing off, cleaning under the Bronco, get everything kind of back in order. That way, because I'm wanting to turn the Bronco the front this way and the back towards the International. Maybe have it kind of catty corner so we can open the door a lot easier and better. It's what I'm looking for, and I think we can do it, but I have to move a bunch of stuff over here in order to make that happen. So if y'all make it through this video, I'd really do appreciate it. I know it's going to be not really Bronco heavy, but like you saw my post from yesterday, there's about, I want to say 30 foot of fence line I cleared out. I don't know how many little saplings are in there and trees growing in the fence, but it broke away some of the clips on the fence post, so I need to go back and fix that and probably put some more fence posts in because it's kind of too long of a stretch. But anyways, after doing that all day, I was pretty tired, and then today we went to Norman. Don't know if y'all know where that is, but it's I don't want to say the closest place that has Harbor Freight, but my wife wanted to go look at flooring, and so we bought 12 boxes of flooring. And 2, I don't want to be out here too late tonight because I have a new job starting, which is an hour drive away from here. So videos may be shorter the next, say, 3 to 5 months, just because I got a long drive out there and a long drive back. But we're not going to stop working on the Bronco. Like I said, Friday we'll probably be dressing up the Bronco a little bit. Maybe I might put fender bolts in it. I'm not sure. I may even try to put the grill on it. That's going to be a big if. But Friday's video may be us putting parts on the Bronco, getting it loaded on the trailer, hopefully, and then make sure to video at the car show Saturday a little bit for the next Monday's video, just show you what it's like and we'll make it look good. And hopefully, if I can get the trailer and get the deck replaced a little bit and lower enough to hold the Bronco up, then we'll do that Friday. If not, we'll just go to the car show Saturday and look around and not have anything in it, which I really want this to be in it. But anyways, regardless, we'll keep working. But so I don't got much time out here, kind of late in the evening, and I'm really wanting to get this Bronco turned so we can actually open the door and really have a lot of area to work with it. So I'm gonna put you up over here. Hopefully, it won't get hot enough where it turns it off, but who knows. But we'll get to cleaning and get to assembling these. Lift Bronco, flip it around, and next time we'll be ready to hit the door hard. Let's get to work. All right, we got picked up a little bit, enough to turn it. I think this will work out better. The cat over there, gotta get out. Anyways, got more room here. We can move the door, in and out. Don't have to worry about hitting anything. So we can almost all the way up as far as we want. I was going to show you, just putting that level up there right now, what this looks like. I don't know if you can tell. It says it's level with the top here. So right here, this can go up just a hair. That means the fender needs to come up. Right there. Surely I'm not off that much. Right there, it seems to be almost perfect. If y'all have any idea what that means, let me know. If that means my fender height is good. If that's the case, then raising the pillar, I still think I need to raise it. Like I said, that's all I want to do now is get this turned. I do like the new dollies. Those are okay, but I think the bearings and those are a lot better. Felt a lot smoother with the turning the wheel from side to side. But I think that'll do it for me this evening. Like I said, no really Bronco work done, but I need to get this Bronco turned in order to have enough room to open the door. Can actually use a cherry picker on it now to help lift it if I need to. Gonna maybe ratchet strap the pillar to the frame and tug on it some to see if I can't pull it more forward. Might try that next time. I know the door will be coming back off. Then we may nip a little bit into that piece right here to move it forward a little bit and up a tad. Got that set, we'll put the outer rocker on. It did come from Dennis Carpenter, but I don't know if y'all see kind of how this kind of bows out a little bit more here, and same way on the other side. So I'm not sure if this is it's gonna have to work. I don't want to buy another one, so we'll make it fit. Next time we'll recheck our measurements and dive into that. But like I said, Friday's video will probably just be us getting it ready to ship from here to Kiowa if I got the trailer. And we'll, like I said, pretty up a little bit. We might hang the fenders or both them down. We might wait on that until we get actually there. I'm not sure. Hopefully by then the door will fit better and I can have this door on. And I like to have the fenders and the grill attached. I think that'd look kind of neat. People actually know what it is if they're having a hard time seeing it. But like I said, we'll continue on and just start bending and moving stuff around, see if we can't get this door to get in there and be straight. If you made it this far, thank you for watching. It does mean a lot to the channel. It helps me get out there and have other people see it and have other people give me ideas. So please like, comment, subscribe if you like this kind of stuff. Like I said, we got International here and a Austin Healey back there and a Signet Camaro in the barn that we all need to get, that I need to get to. But the Bronco's gonna get done first. I feel like I'm really close to getting the body done, and then we'll take it off the frame and start building it back up from frame up. But anyways, thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.